Point number 4, in the month of Shaban, start acting upon the points of loving the Prophet ﷺ. Between two prayers, do one thing that pleases Rasulullah ﷺ, even if it's just smiling at a believer, even if it is looking at the greenery and maintaining greenery and keeping the roads clean. You pick up some litter, some rubbish, and do it for the Prophet ﷺ. You brush your teeth, brush them for Rasulullah ﷺ. You comb your hair, comb them for the Prophet ﷺ. Because Rasulullah ﷺ was sunnah. Do that between every two prayers, from Fajr till Zohar. Between the two prayers, you do something for the Prophet ﷺ, and you quote back to Rasulullah ﷺ in Zohar. And between Zohar and Asr, just saying thank you to someone is praising Rasulullah ﷺ. Man lam yashkuri nas lam yashkurillah. The one who doesn't thank the creation of Allah doesn't thank Allah Jalla wa'ala. Thanking people is thanking Allah. So you thank people. At your workplace, someone gives you some water, say thank you, and say, I did this to please Rasulullah ﷺ. And in the next prayer, then report back to the Prophet ﷺ. So acting upon this point, between all 5 prayers every day, at least do one thing for the prayer of the Prophet ﷺ. Point number 5, go to your relatives in the month of Shaban. This is before the month of Ramadan. Those people, resolve and solve all your grudges and ikhtilafat and controversies and conflicts and hatred, and reconcile with your relatives. Rasulullah ﷺ said, millions of people who deserve hellfire are freed from the fire of hell in the month of Ramadan. But 4 people are not forgiven. The first one is an alcoholic, one who drinks alcohol. The second one, who disrespects his parents. The third one, who breaks ties of relationship with his close relatives. Ikhtilaf and reconcile with them. Start doing that in the month of Shaban as a preparation for Ramadan. And this will continue. And our target is, in Ramadan we will make sure there is no one naraz with us. We will go to every family member. Because Rasulullah ﷺ said, millions who deserve hellfire are freed from the fire of hell, but 4 people. And one of those 4 is the one who breaks ties of relationship. And the 4th one, the one who has ill will against other people. If you have ill will against other people, I've mentioned the difference between both and shahna in my last talk. Then those people will not be forgiven. So let us start training ourselves in the month of Shaban.